telling us about your experience with circumcision.
Oh
right?
no, not again.
Yeah, I do.
So Miguel, this is the story. Listen to him.
Wait, I'm gonna make ballet this
You know what,
Okay.
Miguel?
Aray, bato.
Hindi talaga matatapos to. Until
Yeah.
you get
I
it,
know.
people are gonna talk about it, people are gonna keep on making fun of you. If I
They
were
don't
you,
make fun of me.
if I were you,
If
I'd
they
do
make
it
fun, I'll
next
beat
week.
them up.
Just do it next week,
I
Miguel.
do it
Come
next
on.
Alright.
And just when they tape you for your television show,
Oh, they hold them
do they
on
shoot
hands.
you like from the neck up or from the chest up or full
They're gonna
body?
shoot me full body.
Are you serious?
Yes, and I'm gonna have to jump around because it's a kid's show, so I
But
have
parang-
to be very makulit.
Parang you're like man on the street kind of thing. Is that it?
No, not at all.
Okay, well, Miguel here is getting a very, what do you call it, expensive and modern kind of circumcision, right?
It's
he's got-
clamping.
It's clamping. It's
No,
not,
I don't want that.
It's not even like, it's not even cutting at all. They just clamp his wee-wee, and then it just falls off.
No, I don't want
the,
that.
the foreskin falls
oh,
off.
I don't even want to think
Mother.
about it.
So, but Jack here from Laguna here, let's have him share his story because he got it done the old-fashioned way.
Yeah, the traditional way.
Okay,
What is
so-
the
Barrio,
traditional way? Educate me.
Traditional way, actually that was about a long time ago. Anyway, yeah.
How old were you then?
I think I was grade 4 then.
Okay.
Yeah.
How old are you now?
I'm 25.
Okay, so
Mhm.
that's about 15 years ago.
Yeah. My kuya's friends, I mean, they were going to this certain manong, and we told them where they're going. They say they will get circumcised. We asked them if we could come. They say no because we don't have any pack of cigarettes.
Oh, my dad had to pay his the one who made them ganyan
So you mean
with a pack of cigarettes
Yeah.
also.
Why? Why pack of cigarettes? Mine bought a pack of cigarettes before.
No, I believe. Can I mention the brand name?
Go ahead.
Yeah, it's Champion.
So that's cheaper.
Yeah,
Like
yeah, it's cheaper.
that's
I,
only 30.
I don't
pesos.
remember.
Like if you go to 7-Eleven, it's like 35 for like Marlboro.
Okay.
For those, it's like 28, 30.
Yeah, after that, then it's my turn, right?
Okay.
For the circumcision. I chew a bayabas leaf.
What does it taste like? Does it taste good?
Bitter.
Bitter, okay.
Tastes bitter. And then
Why do you have
after,
to chew that?
you have to chew that after the mano cut it off. I mean,
Why?
You have to put the bayabas leaf
On your
the
wound.
Yeah, and after
Oh
that,
But it's disinfectant
Yeah.
or antiseptic.
yeah, for antiseptic purposes, I made
How
it.
did he cut it off? That's the thing. Like, or what is the process? There? I want
Actually,
Miguel. Miguel,
My
listen to this.
anesthesia.
None.
Wala anesthesia.
Yeah, I'm looking.
Woo.
I'm looking up the roof. I mean, up the top.
Uh-huh.
Someone's massaging my ears,
Uh-huh.
and then after that, it's done. Said Manong, okay na.
So what did he? Wait,
He put the.
we won't say the words, like any
Mhm.
detailed words,
Mhm.
but he pulled the skin.
Yeah,
out
there's
there.
a certain wood. I mean,
Uh-huh.
bayabas, something like that.
Okay.
You have to put
Doesn't
your
it hurt?
skin,
Oh,
the skin of the.
around the wood.
Yeah.
And then
I'm gonna break him down.
the cutter.
what is the cutter? You
Oh,
dad?
I'm getting
my dad
chills on
said-
my
it
back.
wasn't
It's not the
even-
pukpok.
I'm
It's
eating
Oh.
it's like I used to cut rubber on the leather shoes.
Oh,
Beta.
it's a
Like that.
blade.
Yeah.
Oh my!
Mhm.
Wait, is it painful? No anesthesia?
It's a curved
Very
blade.
painful, yeah. Very painful.
Oh yeah, baby.
And you have to.
Do you remember it? Like, do you actually remember the pain?
Yeah, I do.
Did you
I do.
scream or cry or what?
I don't scream, man. My barkada is outside.
Alright, so-
they make fun of me if I
You
scream.
just made the is.
Yeah, I
Remember
do
this.
this.
Oh
And
my
then,
god, no anesthesia and they just cut you off like that?
yeah.
Oh!
Oh my god!
For all the guys that are out there, I don't know, because I wasn't circumcised here in the Philippines, so I don't have that experience. But you know, guys, like whenever you hear something that really hurts, like your testicles just flying out. I can feel that now.
And they put a little cloth, a white cloth,
Mhm.
a rounded white cloth with a hole in the middle. It's called baru-baruan.
But what is that for?
That's for the hole.
Is where it,
Oh, God.
You will put the
Alright.
head of
Okay, okay,
I'm
yeah.
gonna throw up now.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my
But, like,
goodness.
I'm curious. What do they do with the skin after? The skin
Stop it!
It's not cut through. It's just they make a wound so you can open it up like that.
No, but
it's not cut
There's actually
through.
skin that's cut off, diba?
Not,
Tama na,
it's not
tama na.
cut off.
Overtime.
Yeah, it is.
It's just they just make a wound.
Okay.
Oh, I
And
don't
then
All right.
after that, you put the bayabas, and then you're
And then
on
the
your way.
cloth.
And the cloth, and
Yeah.
then you
And
wear
then
your
they
mom's
wrap it
duster.
What?
And then you
No,
wear
I don't
long
wear
shirts.
long shirts. Nor I wear palda.
Okay,
It's natural.
Okay, so you still.
I just wear baggy shorts.
Yeah, balong the shorts.
And then langgas kinabukasan.
What's that mean?
The langgas is just a
Dead.
To wash it?
yeah to wash it. The
Okay.
leaves of the bayabas you make.
Okay.
You boil the
So
leaves
you boil
of
You
it.
didn't jump in the
That's very
river
primitive,
No, no,
I
that's-
must say.
like my dad. Okay. So
Champion for a circuit. Oh, God.
I know.
was
Imagine that.
gonna
Like,
say it.
imagine pack of
Anything
cigarettes.
that
Probably back then
something
was only 20
fast
pesos, less than that.
I believe that's 15
15 pesos. And
That's
now,
it.
Miguel,
Now
your
it's more like
circumcision is
that.
costing 10,000 pesos.
No.
But at least you know that they're actually gonna use medicine.
Yeah, that's why I want them.
Anesthesia.
That's why I like expensive stuff because.
That's so expensive. 10,000 pesos.
Not even for circumcision. I mean, because at least I'm sure it's safe that I got.
Oh my God.
You know what the thing is?
Have you heard of
I
the
don't think-
canister scandal lately?
Yeah.
I'm sure that got paid a lot for that.
Oh, just
for that
make sure that
diffuser.
they don't know that
Yeah,
you're Manny
sure.
Dial. They're going to
Okay.
videotape that and put that on
Just
YouTube.
make sure you don't go to that hospital because
Yeah.
they'll YouTube you again.
Like-
Little man guy getting circumcision.
Even with things, you know, about cleanliness
Oh,
or
now I know
whatever,
about that.
I don't think it's really a problem because imagine if like my dad and all of his brothers did that and all these other people did that for how many years, it can't be that bad, diba?
Yeah.
Yeah, like with Jack here, is anything wrong with your wang? No. Functioning
Uh,
properly?
perfectly
Like
conditioned,
Yeah,
I
see?
believe.
And that only costs 20 a pack of cigarettes. Yours,
No, my other friend.
yours is costing
He paid
10,000.
like only $500, and it has a side effect on his brain.
What?
No.
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
He's
Is
starting
that
to talk
possible?
like an adult already, and he's like weird.
That's
Weirdo,
called, that's
you.
called puberty, Miguel.
Puberty.
Good morning,
Apple.
Fernando.
Fernando, gano'n.
Hi.